2018 BMW M4 wide body kit. Pretty sick setup. We just slapped some tips on there. Got the M Performance tips, carbon fiber with the black chrome inserts. Got this thing looking sweet. This actually came with an Army Tricks exhaust, full catback all the way through. The Army Tricks is valved. It does have the stock valve right here. Got the factory valves kind of tucked up in a way. And then you got 2.5-inch piping all the way through, some flanges to connect everything, some more flanges to connect everything else, and then 2 pipes to connect to the catless downpipes that the customer bought the car with. So this car is catless, so it's extremely raspy. The M4s and M3s from this generation are just generally raspy, so do not run catless. Right? It sounds like shit. Highly recommend high flow catted downpipes with an EPA approval. So if you're looking for a good setup on this car, we do like the Army Tricks. I think there's a couple different systems out there that are better, like Meister Shaft or Akrapovic if you want to spend a little bit more money. And then do not go catless. It gets raspy. Yeah, it makes more power with the tune, but not recommended just because you cannot get away from the sound. The sound is garbage. Raspy, garbage disposal sound. So later on the customer will come by. We'll probably tuck in some performance resonators right here. If he decides to sell and the customer doesn't want it as raspy, we have some space here to run some resonators. So you still have the Valvetronic muffler on the back here. The Army Tricks does have a pretty densely packed muffler and the valves open and close. So you can go from pretty chill to extremely aggressive, which is pretty sweet, especially on an M3 that's so raspy like this. You don't want to go full straight pipe. You don't want to go with a cheap catback. You need some quality, so Army Tricks does the job. So we're going to drop it. Like I said, we just slapped the tips on there. I'm going to show you the rest of this car. This does have a pretty sick wide body kit on there. Customer just wrapped it flat black, or satin flat black, which is pretty pimp. So the car looks badass, guys. I'm going to drop it, let you guys hear it. Let me know what you think. So that was the BMW M4 with a wide body kit. Had the Army Tricks catback on there, and we slapped some M Performance carbon fiber tips. Shout out to Mercy Customs for always bringing the whips. And we got shop in Davie, shop in Oakland Park, Gexhaust.com if you're not local. And if you're looking for rentals, Mercy Luxuries, top-notch rentals. So also this M4 wide body is going to be available for a giveaway. Go to the description below. We're going to tag them and reach out. Let them know Gexhaust sent you guys.